Ledges State Park near Madrid and Boone, Iowa. Very much the central part of Iowa. I believe Ledges got its name from all of the ledges, like the one off to the right, which goes down about 100 feet. It's got a trail, a road, one way, one lane, that they call Canyon Road, and it takes you through these creeks, and that you can see the truck driving through right now. They never get more than a couple of inches deep, but sometimes the road is closed. Beautiful trees this time of year, and there is some stonework from the CCC, the Civilian Conservation Corps. We're still in the park, but we're down on the Des Moines River, going north. Take it back, going south. And this is the steepest hill here coming up. This is a little parking lot at a popular hiking site called the Lost Lake. It's one of those oxbow lakes that was once part of a meandering river that now has been cut off. So here we are back in the campground, coming up on my campsite. Hope you have a nice day, and get outside and get happy. Bye.